think of is DJI, it can indeed crush other manufacturers in terms of technology. So, in addition to multi-rotor drones like DJI, what other types of drones do you know? Currently, the most sold drone on the market is multi-rotor drone. It consists of 3 or more rotors, lightweight and flexible, strong hovering ability, strong terrain adaptability. It can be used in entertainment, patrol investigation, agriculture, and so on. There are also single-rotor drones. Look similar to a helicopter, mainly ESC, motor, blade, GPS, and other parts. The motor is the power source. The blades generate lift, electrically controlling the blade speed. These 3 components complete the takeoff. Usually has the characteristics of simple structure, strong stability, powerful power, etc. Suitable for aerial photography, logistics and distribution, environmental testing, and other applications. Fixed-wing drones are very similar to the civilian aircraft we see at airports. Adopting a streamlined design, the fuselage can carry fuel and batteries, low energy consumption, the flight time is long. It is suitable for agricultural inspection, environmental protection, border patrol, and other fields. The above are the common types of drones. If you find it useful, please give me a thumbs up.